Hey, this is Joshua again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this beautiful certified pre-owned 2017 Volkswagen GTI Autobahn. This front-wheel drive hatchback comes with a 2-liter TSI turbocharged engine with a 6-speed automatic DSG Tiptronic transmission with paddle shifters. You get front anti-roll bars with DCC adaptive chassis control with 4 modes, and large rear stabilizer bar, gas pressurized shock absorbers with the sport-tuned adaptive suspension, 24 miles per gallon in the city, 32 miles per gallon on the highway, blind spot monitor with sensors, front assist with autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert with backup camera, adaptive cruise control, radio with aux and USB input, Bluetooth connectivity and navigation system, 2 12-volt DC power outlets with heated seats, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.